Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. For today's fishcraft, we are going to create the perfect ornament for the angler on your Christmas list. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to create your ornament. You'll need some white glue and a tray to pour it in. You'll need a fork, some yarn, a pen, several straight pins, so be careful, perhaps get the help of an adult to do this craft. And you'll also need a styrofoam tray. Now, I didn't have a styrofoam tray, so what I've done is I've taken about 3 or 4 styrofoam plates just to make sure that the styrofoam I'm working with is thick enough for the straight pins. Also grab some twine or ribbon to hang your ornament up. To begin, I'm going to use the pen to draw the outline of my design on the plate. If you have a shape to trace or a cookie cutter to trace, that will help you to create your design. Once you've traced the outside of your design, take the pins and place them right along the edge, poking them through the styrofoam so that they are straight up and down, leaving space between them, but also leaving about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch space between the plate and the head of the pin. Okay, so once you've laid out your design, the simpler the better. Set that aside, and then get your tray of glue ready. So I've probably poured about 1/4 cup of white glue in here, and I want to make sure that there's enough glue so that I can soak the yarn in. The length of your piece of yarn will be determined by your design. For my fish design here, I'm probably going to roughly estimate and measure out about 7 or 8 feet of yarn. It's probably best to have a bit too much than not enough. Then you'll take the yarn that you've measured out and set it in the glue. This is going to get a little bit messy, but it will be fun. Make sure that the glue covers your yarn. And once it's soaked up a bit of glue, take your fork and use this as a way to skim off the excess glue. So once I've skimmed off a bit of extra glue from a portion of the yarn, using your fingers or using the fork, start at one part of your design. You're simply going to wrap the yarn around different points of your design. Crisscrossing back and forth. You'll want to end your last bit of yarn right at the edge of your design. Just tack it down with a bit of glue and let your design dry. Next time, instead of using polyester yarn, I think I'll try and find some cotton yarn. That might absorb the glue just a little bit better so that it dries clear. And once you've finished creating your ornament, take a photo. We'd love to see it. Post it on social media and tag us at TackleShare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TackleShare YouTube channel to keep more fishing content coming your way. Still hungry for more? Check out the fun activities posted on the TackleShare website at tackleshare.com/resources. See you next time.